In today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach a PDF to a MailerLite email in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open your browser and log into your MailerLite account. Before you create your email, make sure your PDF is ready and uploaded to a cloud service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Once it's uploaded, copy the shareable link. This is what we'll be using in the email. Now go back to MailerLite and open the campaign section. Create a new campaign or edit an existing one. When you are inside the email editor, choose where you want to place your PDF link. You can either select a text block or add a button. Once you've added the text or button, click the link icon and paste the PDF link into the URL field. Save your changes and your email will now lead subscribers directly to your PDF. Before sending it out, make sure to send yourself a test email. Click the link and confirm the PDF opens correctly. If everything works, you're ready to send the campaign to your subscribers. And that's it. You've successfully attached a PDF to your MailerLite email. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.